This 2017 Keystone Springdale East 310BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, smoke detector, oven, Slideout, Skylight, refrigerator, stove top burner, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, external shower, air conditioning, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Keystone Springdale East 310BH is 7,940 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.